got me locked up. Won't let me out. Don't need to let y'all ass out. All y'all gotta do is destabilize the black neighborhood. Why don't y'all go to the north side and destabilize the white neighborhood? You fucking ass cowards, you. You hang on even the train. We started y'all on the train. Y'all come from 95th Street up to 22nd Street, and y'all rob black people. Why would y'all go to the north side and rob white people that got the money? You fucking cowards, nigga. You know your ass gonna go to jail. Hey man, this for real, bro. These motherfucking black people talking about they gangbangers throwing their motherfucking signs and shit. And the white man killing our kids, they won't even go out there and kill white people. They'll kill black people, kill our fucking kids in the backyard on the train track, on the south side. They're talking about you a gangster side. You only gangster when you kill black people. Why you become a gangster when you kill white people? Okay, you fucking cowards, man. Go Farrakhan, you like your mama. I lie, nigga. I'm saying that they got the cameras right here. I said it right in their fucking face, nigga. Fuck them. What you say? Get up and say it in their fucking face. I'm saying it right in their fucking face. They can call the police right now, nigga. I say it right now. Load them up. And fuck white people, nigga. They faggots, they homosexual. All y'all motherfucking ass faggots and homosexual. That's why y'all don't like Farrakhan, Elijah Muhammad. Then y'all ain't even in the church, in the shelter and everything. Y'all ain't even in there. When y'all come in the shelter at PGM and everywhere we come, we study y'all ass. In fact, it's coming in. Sometimes y'all breath smell like doo because y'all be eating the ass. Ass! Stop the train on me. Nigga, never stop the train on me. Go every night and do the death. They never wanna kill me. Why can't we kill white people, nigga? Y'all ass love killing black people. That's why I don't look like Farrakhan. Farrakhan teach y'all ass like love black people. Y'all blue-eyed crackers, nigga. Faggots, nigga. Fuck white people. Coming to your slave master. Fuck them. Dope, clothes, whatever the shit y'all, heroin, fuck shit y'all be selling out black people. They on the fucking train, on the bus, not. Cause you gotta get some fucking dime, or fucking $20, $40, and you gotta pay your bills, nigga. Enough! You wanna kill too. A lie. Y'all got a black skin, but y'all are crackers. That's why y'all like killing black. Y'all have learned how to be a cracker in the black skin, like Farrakhan said. And then y'all look, I'm a white man in a black body. Let me kill black people.
Northbound red line.
They got a black all night sleeping. A motherfucker got $1 billion and homeless people riding the train all night. And a motherfucker got $1 billion and wouldn't Lazarus at the front of the door. And these motherfuckers are paying $100 for some food and left. $80 on the table and they go in the garbage and then Lazarus
Harrison is next.
in front of us and say, can I get a dime?
Doors open on the left at Harrison.
No! Bro! Y'all better get y'all ass ready. Y'all gonna suffer worse in Chicago because y'all had Elijah for 80 years. Y'all ass get ready to suffer now. And like the book said, Elijah Muhammad said, when the South wake up, it's over. We have never experienced the truth like y'all had it up here for over 100 years. Now your ass get ready to perish out. We know what's going on in the South. We know what's going on. Shit. Still selling the white man's dope. And you gotta run it high. Even you selling motherfucking dope, and you gotta run it high. You gotta run it high. I'm running it high. You gotta stingle motherfucker. Shit. Destabilize your own black neighborhood. That's why you don't go to the white neighborhood and do that shit. White people kill your ass.
This is Harrison.
Kill you fucking straight out. You go in there and sell some dope.
Stop, get the work on that. If we need to work and see if we need to meet this train at the next stop.
Elijah Muhammad, that's all. Keep your ass straight out.
Doors closing.
That black skin. Call who the fuck ever you want. Allah, nigga. You don't know we're gonna be on the highways and the byways in the last day. Jesus Christ said in the last
Jackson
day,
is next.
my people will be in the highways and the
Doors open
byways.
on the left.
We are
Jackson.
ready to die. The same black people.
Transfer to blue, orange, brown, and pink line trains at Jackson.
Now take it easy. Jesus. Y'all want it over. Get ready for hurricanes, tornadoes, and cold weather.
This is
We
Jackson.
gonna break your ass.
Transfer to blue, orange, brown, and pink line trains at Jackson.
Cold
This is a
weather.
red line train to Howard.
Break your ass. I don't want to.
This is a northbound red line to Howard. Northbound red line. All aboard, northbound red line.
Don't stop. We're gonna break y'all down there. We gotta work it to the night. I see y'all later. Fuck white people.
Doors closing. Doors closing.
Please get clear the doors.
Ma'am, get on the
K9, you want to check out that last car for me?
Doors closing.
Fucking coward! That's why y'all hate Farrakhan! Y'all don't like killing white people! White people killing your own fucking people now! You fucking got your dick in it! Come on. I'm a GZ. I'm a case of this cycle. We gonna stop y'all ass up, nigga.
Northbound red line, all aboard.
Doors